A magnetic Nega glass board is a modern version of a whiteboard. It has the same features and is also a decorative element in your home. You can write on the board with the provided chalk marker or with a normal whiteboard marker. Once the text has dried, you can easily wipe the board with a board eraser or a paper towel. You can put cards, pictures and various other things onto the board with magnets. Keep in mind that your magnets have to be super strong magnets. You cannot use the magnets you use on your refrigerator at home, since the magnets have to get hold of the metal plate on the back of your glass board. If you have a magnet you really like, which is not super strong, you can make it super strong by putting a super strong magnet on the back of it. You can tell which magnets are super strong from the packaging. The glass boards are available in small, large and extra large and in a variety of colors. They can be combined in countless ways, both as decoration and for practical use. Additionally, you will find a wide range of accessories, all with super strong magnets, both for decorative and functional purposes. Please visit nega.dk for further inspiration on how to combine our glass boards.